Greetings to all from BrainCare Tech team. Today I am going to talk about how to implement Python with Selenium for automating web browsing. Web browsing automation allows you to efficiently interact with web elements, simulate user actions, and navigate web pages using Python scripts. Selenium is a powerful open source framework that you can use to take control of your web browser through Python. Selenium supports various web browsers including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. This is a valuable tool for quality assurance teams looking for more efficient and reliable ways to test applications. With WebDriver, you can simulate user actions such as clicking buttons, filling forms, and navigating all the pages. As you progress in this demo, you will find Selenium to be a vital asset in your Python automation toolkit. Continue watching the browser automation demo and then I will explain the code behind it. It's time to delegate all those tedious, repetitive online tasks to your Python scripts. Clicking buttons, typing into forms, navigating pages are now all automated. In this demo, you will be exploring how to use Selenium to automate basic browser interactions in Python. The necessary libraries have been imported at the top. Note that I'm using the Edge browser, so I have imported the web driver specific to Edge. Entire code for basic to advanced web page has been done here for you to follow along. Now go ahead and try automating the process of filling out another web form using Selenium in Python. All you have to do is to right-click on the web elements and go to Inspect and select various properties to help you on coding, like finding the element by class, name, ID, XPath, etc. as shown here, and then doing the coding to achieve the required goal. If you would like to know more, please contact BrainCare Tech Talent team. Please like and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Thank you.